Hello student, welcome to my class of computer for class 10th. In earlier video we have understand the third part of the advanced digitalization of the computer. Okay, so in which we have covered in unit 1 this one thing, digital documentation advanced, like creating, applying style, inserting and using image documentation, creating templates and use that. And now in fourth part we will understand how to create and customize our table content. Okay, in which we will learn table of content, hierarchy of its heading, customization of table content, character style, maintaining the table of the content. Okay, in practical session we will understand create a table of the content, define a hierarchy of headings, customize a table of content, apply the character style and maintain a table content. So to do that, student, we have to start OpenOffice first, that is 4.1.7. okay, you have to click on text document. After opening it's a text document, suppose that if I'm having a particular content, students, okay, so actually what is actually the table of content? So in a book, in a particular syllabus, okay, you can see the number of the table of content are given there. This is known as indexes. Okay, so we are suppose that we are having this particular content. Okay, first thing, that is first heading, consider as a heading 1, so select this and under heading 1. okay student, so go to this one thing and then after that heading 1 and then go to subheading 1. okay, that is sub content, we can say that, or sub chapter we can say that. okay, then after that make sure that heading 2 should be, and this one is heading 3, so select this and then after that ensure that heading 3 should be. So student, I am doing one thing, I am just copying this one particular content. okay, and after that I am going to paste it in another page. I am to the second page number, and in third page number I am pasting this one thing again. Name will be changed, chapter 2, chapter content 2. Same will be for chapter number 3 also. So here chapter number 3, and then after that here chapter 4 and content number 4. okay student, so now what we have to do, student, we have to go to the page number first, which is blank. In this, how to insert a particular table of content. So to do that, student, you have to go to insert option, then after that index and style table. okay, then go to index and table. So after selecting this one thing, this you can see the preview here, which type of preview it will show. okay, here are other options also available, I will discuss in later. okay, so index and table, so consider that table of content. okay, so we are printing the table of content, so let it be type of table of content. so number of the tables possibilities are there, but as per according to syllabus we will cover the table of content only. okay, and for entire document. okay, and then after the level 10, so press ok button. So you can see that index has been come, I'm saying table index of this one come. okay, so now student, if I'm going to select this one thing, I can't delete it. Why? Because production level is enabled here. So come to the right click on this to edit this and then go to edit index table. So here you can see one feature of that particular index, insert index table dialog box, that is product against the manual changes. okay student, if I'll uncheck that and then I will press ok, so I can delete anything that I want. okay student, so I'm doing the reverse it again. So go to index table again and product them against the manual changes, so press ok button. So student, we have learned how to use that particular indexing table and hierarchy. Hierarchy means a particular chapter can be considered under another one thing, chapter 1 heading 1, okay, sub content heading 2 and course objective, that is heading 3. okay student, this is hierarchy. So always heading 1 will become first and heading 2 will be second and third will heading 3. okay student, and now we are going to updation for that also. So you can see, student, according to chapter 1 page number is denoted here, chapter 2 page number denoted here. Suppose that if a student or a particular person want to make the changes in this particular content, for example here I am going to change it to the next page. okay, so let's see what will happen. Now you can see, student, this is page number 4. so we are going to do changes in this one thing, but index not changes. okay, so what we have to do, right click on this one thing, update indexes. So you can see that page number automatically changes here. okay, and now we are talking about its theory part. So we have learned, student, how to create table of content, define a hierarchy of table content, we have done it. Now customize a table of a content, student. Okay, so to do that, student, I have just got the link for this particular page, because CBSE not provided a link for the 10th class 402 book. So here this is a book in which we will learn how to create all content of the syllabus is covering here. So you can see that. Okay, so here introduction, what is chapter, table of content, okay, how to create a table of content, steps are given there. I will give you the link for that also, student, or I will give you in a video, okay, in description to download it, so you can see this one thing. So now we are going to talking about its first of all its customization. So go to index and table. So first of all thing, we not to talk about the background. Okay, background may be a color. Okay, for example, if I'm going to select a color like this one color, press OK. Now you can see that background has been changed. So any color you can change as per according to your choice. Okay, student. So for example, if I'm selecting this one thing, press this one thing, change. And now I'm going to do the apply the graphics also. So go to the color option, there is background and graphic option. You can select the particular browse button. Okay, inside that I'm going to select one of the graphic in my computer, and then after that wait for its a preview. Okay, and then OK button. Now you can see this particular background has been covered. Okay, if you want to select like this also, position, area, this one thing, you can see this background has been changed. Okay, student. So we have learned how to customize the one of the option, that is background color. Okay, and now we are talking about its column. So here only one column is given there. If I'm going to make a 2 column, so now you can see the index is come in a 2 column. Okay, that is what this one thing. So now we are going to add it again. If you are going to make it in a 3 column, okay, it will come in a 3 column. Can you see, student? So I will do it normal. I am to say first column, I am say column will be 1. So keep it 1 and OK. Okay, student. Now we are talking about its style. Okay, student. So here I have told you what is the style, content number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are talking about content number 1. Edit it, go to style tab and edit. Okay, inside that you can put the style that you want. Here you can say that you can change the what thing, it's writing style. Okay, so I am going to change its font, and you can increase the size of all this also, bold, italic you want. So make sure inside a particular style you have to select the font and then click on this one thing. Okay, and then after that you can see that style has been changed. Okay, now we are talking about the another one thing, that is how to use the entry field. Okay, student, this is very important thing. Okay, this is known as entry pages. Entry pages, it means to say it allows us to make the hyperlink. When the student will come and click on this particular thing, the particular cursor will automatically transfer your screen to that page. So how to do that, student? So here you should understand what is that. So this figure will open. Okay, in this, here is E has means chapter number, E means whatever the chapter or sub chapter, T means a tab button, so it will provide you the horizontal gap. LS means hyperlink, LE means hyperlink end. So what we are going to do, student, we need to just go to edit button. Okay, that is edit text table. So now we need to go to the entries option. Okay, student. So here is number of the label, that this by default is 10. So we are going to number of 2. So first of all we have to do one thing, go to this one thing E has, that is chapter number. Before that one thing space you have to click on this, click on hyperlink. Okay, and then after that here is content, that is entry. After E right side you have to again click hyperlink. So now press OK button. So now you can see, student, this particular hyperlink has been come. So how to click on this one thing, you have to just press control button and roll over the mouse on that particular content, click on this. So your cursor will transfer automatically to the that page. I am say monitor of content will do that page. Okay, same thing will have. I will click on the content number 3, press control button and press this one thing. You will go to the same page that I told you. Okay, so today we have learned, student, let's see the syllabus again. how to create our content, define a hierarchy of heading, in which we have learned what are the hierarchy. I mean to say heading 1 will be first, heading 2 will be another after that, and heading 3 will be then after that. Okay, and then customize the table of the content. How to customize? Like background we have changed, color we have changed, column we have changed, okay, entry we have changed. Apply the character style to maintain a table content. Okay, I have teach this one thing also already, student. So how to do this one thing? Same thing, you have to just go to the entry, right click on it, edit index table, and you have to go to style and select any content, and then edit button. Make sure font you have to select, and you can change your style that you like. Okay, student. Then after that you can decrease its size, increase its size, it's up to you, italic, whatever. Okay, I will do one thing, I will do some changes that is different for you, like this. Okay, and then press OK. Now you can see in background this thing has been changed. So student, today we have learned how to, third part, how to create a table and customize a table of content. Okay, and its purpose, use, and how to use a character space. Okay, so till then, have a nice day. I will give you the notes in a YouTube channel link. Thank you and have a nice day.